Patricia, yes, you got my notification always because you've liked my page and you are following it too. Ntime Pachopa, please like it now. And YouTube to him, Honam Sardine, YouTube, please subscribe. It's free of charge. Akosia, Honam Papa, we thank you, darling. Oh, happy, I love you too. Victoria Samoa. What's your Safo? Beautiful princess, thank you. Me pa mucho se me ka se me read comment ni nyina. Mo amunim se na ye nko ye starting komo no so nti mesre mo. Se me read comment anya se bia me no wasem, me no ni asem bia. Just say me read comment ni nyina so so ye start enkomo na ye wie. Nti mo me nto aso akida fo nada. Wo munya ni a it's a bye for now. Nti enye de ebetimi aye ni ensore nko. Enye bibia se ye nra me wo ho amene na nenam ho amene nam Facebook ni anomfo ne so am se Mami efia gagawu gaga ya ba ya yo boyo so boyo mami ani abri gidi ye ni interview all come is be ho asema see so me de me money di but you see ya grow e cha na ayeden agu enya de biem because that time na Miss Bell ni bri na no wodi ayugum no won ti say Tracy dey back and back no na emoye de na yetimi ehu ba bi edi asem beja na Miss Bell asema ye chemu a wabeka you didn't reply her. Miss Bell asem ni wanka watwen ama asem na dwo afi na wo ba beka wo de your part of the your side of the story no dada ni nyina wonim so beka asem na Miss Bell ba na no ka na wo sa wo beka when we were talking to Pena is a Pena kwa de emfa na asem nto ncha kwa ne na mani hu de nyenne because ye say obi to aduan ma we one day dia na ye say waboa emu abi nso wo ha e be ne den wahwa nipa ba ko hwe ntie de ame ase ena oba ya asem nya ne se de enti ono Miss Bell enkasa ne se Miss Bell ene blanket de e be chi no na nka bra kwade fake acid gu ne so no wone na koda enu nti na wone na yeden wone Miss Bell ja nkomodie wone na ja go dey fine boni nim but me pa cho mo mi take some in consideration Mr. Mu ebi ato me da nti minim de America yemfa ne say wadamfo ene wo guy e wo ho na wo guy ni nim say wadamfo ni nyana ono wo beda ena why don't you set Miss Bell a trap guy ni kra betimi aka atwo so wadamfo girl we me hwe ni ni obi a enye enti hwe ho yie wo as a lady no kra wo pa wo beka say wo da bi mema de omo pesa fine wo betwa so but guy no adenti na wanka nche wo afia say afia mehu nyoma bi wo wadamfo Miss Bell ho a mitimu se girl no mehu ni yie enti no show hu ye free no now like afia ho kra won free afia won free Miss Bell so we now fan to loudspeaker kra oba how WhatsApp me ade like won ne mbom komo bi kra na Miss afia hu se ampa Miss Bell mitiri mehu tim ka no according to blanket say won ne Miss Bell ada won ne da wie ye no after ena Miss Bell mum se wo relationship and also no do relationship and no to no Miss Bell and the empenasem but that time no so afia asia se oja mumienum ho no oba ye na mumienum ni ho no wa mbu so obi ahwe na munwa motena asumdwem no the guy couldn't tell you say afia because Miss Bell didn't hold you blanket at gunpoint Miss Bell am fa etuo ensi wo be ma ne so enti wo wani abre na wo kase wo gi broken heart free be ma no it means so ne be ma ne di agro wo da so ne boy ne di agro such a person no is worth your time but your friend now because omumi no nya na afum ti adentin na both of them you don't cut them off from your life and now if you also see your allegation is say because of a WhatsApp message say normally uni obi chat da ebeba date uni ne chat ebeba today enti because of today meaning say today bro for today ti me the assembly obi today ni tomorrow yesterday past participle ni present participles it me the assembly obi yemfa na another way it could be kran so say guy na je Miss Bell number one na di nkomo bi Miss Bell no so ani nje ho nam so one person obeba be kan ma why done third person to one control enti wo ka je ne say one be ma ne no wo issues no ono so afa kwan bi so ka che so fa ne number ma because ono ne ka say me one number already wo betimi aye den adwene bone aye den ama no enunti na aye den okoji number ne the second time because o boyfriend ne wo friend how come say we omu ofie pen also they vanish together e betimi amba say omu ni omu menu contact they have the contact nti anya possible say Miss Bell bet me aka say but e be out of courtesy say madam for no me kasa let me just talk to your friend now it will sound somehow you know oh any fan number man meanwhile so number ne dada it goes both ways be man no so antimi an kan cho say no or no after say when who say woni girl na nya problem ko fo bi sa e wo ho sa be me bi wo ho woni ohun say okope wadamfo no ohun say wadamfo no be sabotage na wotimi fa echi no obeka kire wo girl ne say wadamfo we me ne nada anaso wadamfo we wo permit no ohun ya no obubu mani nchie no wo betimi ateki that side no enso e bia na wo no be ma ne mum na epe sa wadamfo na yeden e bia wanfi na naso ohun say wadamfo no betimi yeden atwe afri ne nchen nti na wa hyeda yeden wo ya sa no wo so friend na no osu we dey be Miss Bell so we all know say she's very dramatic. I'm not defending her, but now if you say we weigh side and side of the story because I'm passing guy no I catch your plane so I Miss Bell like that. Now so see because the only proof you have now you came no evidence here today. Your only evidence is today. What's up today? Your only evidence, Miss Bell, what's up today? What's up yesterday? Because of say today just on na chatted that. Once say you don't know chat or mochati, you don't know, you did not see the mochati, you did not see them in bed. But you have taken the guy no word for it. After so catch say, well, Madam Funi say ni menena die and I know so relationship. Such a person, such a guy. Madam Funi mama catch say, Bema we say you are not classy, you are not this, you are not that. Madam Funi then they want it. Miss Bell say boy and catch and say you are not classy. Ohonya fe. Blanket kind. Also, you are not classy. And only dear, you didn't hold the guy. Say, I didn't know what can. So I say, we chair madam for. But so on another day, and only you are holding it. Maybe a sipping. I quite remember one time, a guy because say, oh, madam for as soon as he say, I'm saying, Master Mempesa. Bema or Tete man, tell dear, it's better so you, I will let you go. Since I made my name, my friend, they be no problem because Bema, they come and go, but friends, dear. But you still remain friends. When him that your friend will be down for you. And I'm a cat and a boy and no. Meaning what I'm saying it is to bo shada. Me shada friend down for a semesi. Now me there are 2 last because me I want not out of 40 as with you. Now my down for no so me tin in can't check. Into no so in can't check. So I say into a friend or the 2 last week and no bony din. No so what's up? No so I'm fine. No so na our friend were here for a while. Oti asema madam for the kind. Hey, that girl. Hey, that girl no ko ampo cry a full stop because obi busa wa down for say. Now the kind the ni full stop the kind back what dey. And I just say, me you know say me matin ken say na me nam nti boy ni bebusa wa say cry dey enye won. By now dey me nam Libya. Kwan so me nam desert. Am you do ma fa Italy. Ma ba be rerem. Me nya nru ha say. Nti wani abre na eden. Wo catch the boy no say that girl no boy ni so why is your friend not so hu me ache na me ti home me ti ho ana boy ne kasa ni didi nkomo ni ade oni ni kan sa na o say oni ni me pa cho obi agimi amuni na tema me wi am block no woni na tell say because me you comment na free aside I want to concentrate on asema me be kan o hwana say onye interested da me na am catch say ye tan asem ye tan nipa issue ne betimi ato obi I'm sharing my own experience. It's not about fear, it's not about Miss Bell. Wo share na so interested that has say interest can e ba say me frɛ me to a views ipe to ne ba ma fa me ho me share asem nka me share dan ka bi. Ma tade we agum wardrobe ma che. Me pese me share keke na me betena na me continuous. Entu wo share na say wuntimi a wunti am. Get out of here. Don't waste your bando, don't waste your time. Wo hwɛ me how. Wo hwɛ me how. Nso ba betena wo hwɛ. They say wo pa wo gye den wan say. And see you better get out of here. Remember church on cell phone. I can't say my fear in if I want to concentrate. And so we are here. I'm only doing my time. Say the bear me who later ma block you because I don't need you. I don't get paid for views. And see mama how you know what I say. Nonsense. Let's continue, please. And I was saying, you know, the guy, you know, afraid madam for no. I don't need din komo. Sa na me ti ho. I know catch and say, oh, I like you. No, say, oh, really? I know, see, yes. I say, my madam for nebe free and more cash and me boy and say, the boy and no busa and say, so what if I find out? What if your friend finds out? But when my madam for me kind, or see if you don't tell her, how will she find out? Me madam for now I stood up for her say oni di wonti me nyasa no madam for ne ka kire boy ne say boy na nka kire me say oni no atwempena wo be den ehu enti amfa ne say madam for no was wrong about you my boyfriend was wrong about you me pa cho ne ka say wie ndie be na wo ye ka wo ka te phone na no afre me similar so say wo boy yi pa kwati asema wadi pa me meka because we are foolish. Me meka if I know say you were friend I hold you down only obi am no be kasa dey say fine but ma obi am no disa na so obo be kacha me so pe meka pa meka me dey want me yes meka no what friend me I was waiting say girl no be friend me back kacha me say oh oba wo boyfriend was say ni so na ndie wo hwe hu ye free no because that's what friends are there for. Madam for now friend one cash because already we akade obeka nyina wie say me ombo mama na fine. Enti boy ne kacha ne say oh so out of town boy ne so ne wo ba onsi wo ne stop o. Boy ne so to highway ekwan na malay ambush e wo fie ho. Na me twa again no. Before so obedu anya be ma na friend no girl na friend meanwhile so not the same guy. Some of the friends have had something to do with you. Some of the friends have had something to do with you. Like you sacrifice friendships, you sacrifice relationships for just a minute of there are a whole lot of people who can give you the same thing. But maybe a pure friendship, a pure relationship, a pure bond between some friends, our fault say be you just spoil it for them. May train with your sister. Na me say me when I get you friend. Na boy you fa no friend, na boy ni fa na afide boy peke no so mini fie na msade na yesa. Ade na ka che ni say wini fie me train na ka get ni duru ho. Kanya ni say me tie say. Ka me call man ka me mai. Normal. Odasem. Wini bia you wouldn't understand. Because what done for you trusted that person. You trusted that person. Until say your money there. And later on, and I'm a friend, madam, for them, madam, you ko. Now, once I'm an annoying come and see. I did that time. We try squad the man, and I'm some try squad the man. You trouble and who trouble and who sam. Later, no sign me boom. When me boom, deal fine, major. But my watching me back. Say such a person, me my be me my name Ben. So what you say me who weakness. So would to way obu o ha e ne nkrabia. Ayi se konkonsa obu o ha e ne nkrabia ntu hu se wadan fu bi e konkonsa ni a. Wo na wo se wo ye wise now se ni kwan se wo de wa asam ye den. E koma no because obu o ha konkonsa nya so open wo di o. E wo frɛ. Obu o ho nso adwaman no e wo frɛ. Ya frɛ no. Ono a wa de a wo mpɛ. Aje so ofu obi die. Enti wo nipa na ane nam na no so nchese to ne twini wo nipa na ane nam na so obehu ha wa be de wo be si handle no because in the whole of no bo ha apart from the konkonsa no there are other good things wo nipa ni mu ba o ka say because of your konkonsa enti woni ni agura bia na other good things nso so bua friendship no nti wo so wo say madam for konkonsa ni ho ni ti enye ho say onti mi nki put data so what you say ni ti no terabyte ni megabyte ni. Enti such a person no fa wasem nye den enkwa nkwo kan kire no no ma na dwen ho because we be kan and we nya data a produce one me kan kire na what ne be bi enti wo say adam for you weigh the friend he said Miss Ben no ka say me birthday no be gina na the guy said this the guy he said that said you are this you are that on my birthday enti if your person che say Miss Ben ofri ni fie ba ya wo hu say fie gina ho a with your family members na no start efia the guy is this that no. But when Miss Bell by Miss Bell is Miss Bell is some way be. I've seen how she is. She's not my friend, but me who the real here. And I don't see how Uncle don't know how to work with even the fear crowd. People work with you. Or being to me say fear, no matter who you are, you don't have a bit of goodness. Get to me in cancer. Tornado when you they can't tell you say a fear is so bad, a fear is so worse. Say be ameni afia na me nti afia nya papa ba kwa ma me da ana se afia there be nya possible obia woni sinto obia wo wiase wo ni sinto enti wo hu saa nipa ni sinto na wo make sure say wo be avoid this so what you say wo be avoid wo ni mpefe se madam fu me de me kunu chia na sabi obewe no you know it some madam fu wo de wo kunu achia obewe no girl ba ko ya si oboasi to takrade na danfo awu onko bo na danfo no ndware dware ne bana akwawi ni kunu wakwawi na danfo ni kunu kobua ni nware dware akwara no wo futu fie na wadanfo awu kone kobua akwara ya nware dware akwara no takrade akwawi kunu no ame apama no aware na gu meanwhile so yesi mususu amudi agoni amunnim yesi ge ne wenye ne first time yesi JSS nyina okoju obi boy JSS oju obi boy SS oju obi boy we ya we tinipa bi se no wawo eba ye dware basen enyi na mesi me uso akra ne nsase no apete no me yire ne ha uso ha na ukuta ena de bedware de masa wunya bia fa na wanya bia masa wujira akra no so ha no aso ha bedware me ne ene kra de obi atimi de ko obi ma mi timi ba bedware no ono anaso no wode no ko wawe no ono aso no akwa we no nti se bedware ne de wuni mpefe so adam fi ni weakness ni enkoso ne nhwe wa wo se moti ho wagya na ma nso munni adwuman obi ani abere obi ahozo obi epenayi ni ti enti adenti na wo se wugyan woni pay with Mezbel wo buy wo se no ma vanishing spirit to mumiene it could be say na Mezbel had something to do and it because you don't know who needs CCTV camera, you don't know what happened there, but it could be so far as wo adwin bi wo team no wo fa wa adwin dada ti be ma ne de beta to na so when you fine because mumienu nyina no you have issues obi say obi ne wako no a power cho no ono aboma what so who said the day na me ne ko first one body em no bebom but ma fa ho adwene bomu de em no bebom but sapa say me no be yete senia ni before ni yete ne de there be ya bom but before de no ma fa me ho adwene e wo ho na wugya o mo no buy na both of them they vanish no we see no call me bi atomeda hwe braja me say enya asem keto yam ka yo say asem de wo ho ye tan asem ye tan nipa e issue na aba no ne ye discuss because it could be say wo ka ye ka say somebody obi na munti asem ne ba enye individual ne person issue na aba no na we try say ye be discuss among ourselves enti ye o mu nyina to nchen just say aba ne ye ka but doesn't mean say we will attack this or that asem ye china asem ye ntan nipa asem na wo say wo tan nipa ne de or ye just any or it could be anybody but situation no na wo say addressing so what you say na maybe boyfriend no so or madam for my best friend me say now what dey say me feel ha me feel as onu feel wasoro and am say ne ma menya jogging na me so me masoro say jawaba ho dey ne ma me so menye jogging na me mfa jogging na me fa emma esoro me duru ha me frɛ ya madam for ne mfa afia de ya woke bi ni me duru ha madam for ne mfa boy yi mfa na me say nipa yi so na se brawo uduru ha frɛ we ya we mfa ti afia de ya bia ni we nipa ba dwene sen how would you feel into this our dwen sa but me dey me ni dey mti hu se wo se omuhu which so cause adamphobia ni sim say afia na wa fa no adwen dada e na Mezbel afa no adwen dada amememfi no mu nyomo dey fa adamfo no sa na me hu nti bibi ketua bia today nyina na today pe na today chat eti me ba say friendship at least munim say nko otena ho ebuso omumienu like omumienu o yire omu anyway because there are some friends bia no no a opese oni ni ja agudie dada because be my word ni oba word there without evidence pa dey na today what's up today dey enti me break your friendship because anything could have happened enti me take a man ne side enka so down for no but mo anka na you had issues dada omu issue ni dey enfant to nchen say obi nso so dey asem